Yo, what's up guys, it's 𝗪𝘗𝗪𝗏 and welcome to another video on the channel. So as you know, we talk about core and every day, and right now we're going to talk about the core mainnet address being similar to the core testnet address. So I've seen a couple of you commenting on my videos and also on our groups and channels, so today we're going to talk about that. And please make sure that you watch the video till the end so that you can get to know whether there is something to worry about concerning that, and look at the Discord channel to see whether there are any solutions that you can find right there. So first of all, make sure that you have subscribed to the channel and also turn on the notifications. You can also follow up on our groups and channels on Telegram, and also follow us on Twitter. So first of all, let me just claim these airdrops. Just tap on the claim button and you can see the airdrops are adding up. And also make sure that you have watched my previous video on how you can link your core mainnet address to the Satoshi app, because that's how you will receive the amount of core that you have mined. So right now let's go to Metamask so that we can check out the address of our mainnet and also our testnet to see whether they are similar and if there are any issues concerning that. So right now you can see on this Metamask account I have already linked the core mainnet, and when you go to the networks you can see I have the testnet and also the mainnet. So first of all, let's copy the address of the core mainnet, then go to our notepad, then paste it. So we are also going to go back to Metamask to copy the testnet address. So we'll switch to the testnet. So right here you can see we have the 𝗕𝗂𝗀 address, and now we'll copy that address, then go back to our notebook and paste it. So when you look at these addresses, they all look the same. Actually, from the beginning till the end, all the letters and numbers are the same. And right now I want us to look at the settings to see whether the settings of the networks are also similar. So when you go to the networks, under the settings, then you'll select the testnet. So when you look at it, you can see the chain ID is 1115. Then you can see the network name, which is actually not quite important. You can see the symbol. For the symbol you can even change it. Then the 𝗓𝗡𝗃 URL, so that shows test.btcs.network. Then also for the block explorer you can see it is scan.test.btcs. And now for the next network we'll check is the core mainnet, which is named the core blockchain. You can see the 𝗪𝗡𝗂 is the 𝗕𝗂𝗙𝗘.org, and as you've seen for the testnet it was the test.btcs.network. And also for the chain ID it is 1116 and the symbol is core. Then for the block explorer, this is the one that we used to link the core mainnet, which is the scan.𝗂𝗪𝗚.org. So that is where you can see all the transactions of the core mainnet. Everything is transparent and clear for all users to see. So you can see there is a difference under the settings of the networks. So even if the addresses are similar, the settings are quite different. So there's no need to worry about that. So the other thing that we can do is to check whether we can receive the 𝗕𝗂 from the faucet using the address from the mainnet. So in case we use the core mainnet address to receive 𝗕𝗂, then the mainnet tokens are added, then we'll know that the account that we have as the mainnet is indeed the testnet. But if it doesn't add to the mainnet, then you'll see that the mainnet address is actually only for the core that we had mined from the app. So we are just going to go back to the core blockchain. So it has already loaded, and you can see this is the balance, because for the core mainnet we don't have any core that we have received from the airdrop. So we're going to copy this address, then go to the browse section, then open up the testnet faucet. So here we have it, the testnet faucet, and you're going to place the address from the core mainnet, which is also similar to that of the testnet. So we'll just solve the captcha, then we'll just tap on the get 𝗕𝗂, and as you can remember, the balance of our testnet 𝗕𝗂 was 0.44. so I'll just tap on the get 𝗕𝗂, and that was successful. So we can go back and see whether we have received on the core mainnet. So if this number adds up, then this is the test address. So you can see it doesn't add up, so Now let's go to the core testnet. Before it was only at 0.44, and right now you can see it is at 1.44. so that means the test 𝗕𝗂𝗀, which is the token for the testnet, was sent to our testnet instead of the mainnet. So there's a huge difference between our mainnet wallet and the testnet wallet, so don't get it confused. Even if they look similar, when you are sent the airdrop tokens that we had mined from the app, it will go straight to your mainnet and not to the testnet. So don't get confused. You can submit the mainnet address without any worry, because some of you have been asking me whether there is any issue because their addresses look similar. So you can see for the mainnet, let it just load. It is still at 0 because we have not received any core. This is only for the real core, the one that we can transact and we can exchange it for real USDT. But I normally encourage everyone, after receiving the airdrop coins, the core coins to your mainnet address, learn how you can delegate or how you can stake the core on the validators so that you can get an interest. So don't go straight away to swapping, maybe sending to other wallets so that you can withdraw. There is no need to withdraw immediately. You can just stake it. Then from the profits of your staking, that's when you can use that to maybe invest further in other things. Also, another platform that you can use to get answers is the 𝗕𝗏𝗏 Discord channel. So on their Discord channel, they have both the general and also the support channels. So these are the channels that I normally recommend for you in order to get answers to any of your questions. So right here you can search for mainnet address same as testnet. So you can see already a couple of users have been asking the same question. Let's just click on one, the one that was submitted today, and so far I cannot see any answers to that question, because actually, as we have seen, there is no issue. Even if the addresses are similar, there's a difference because the core that you are going to be sent is the real coin for the mainnet. It's not for the testnet. And also for the settings that we have seen, they differ, because for the testnet you can see the 𝗓𝗏𝗏 URL, and also for the block explorer they are all for the testnet, but for the core mainnet they are all linked to the mainnet. So in order to save time, you can just follow up on these discussions under the general and also under the support to see whether there is any moderator who had answered one of these questions. So we have confirmed that there is no issue when you're submitting your core mainnet address from Metamask, even if it looks similar to that of the testnet. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and also make sure that you subscribe to the channel as we hit 14,000 subscribers, and hope to see you on the next one. Peace out.